Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Pontiac LeMans convertible. Great car, guys. It's finished in a bright rally red. It's got the black vinyl interior in it, black convertible top. 400 cubic inch automatic engine with an automatic trans. Got the 400 trans. Previous owners owned this car since I think 1998. Just a good car. Drove it this morning. Car runs out good, drives good, shifts good. It's got a good, solid, straight body on it. Just really just a good looking car. It's got the Rally 2s with the PMD caps and lugs. Of course, it's the LeMans, so it's got the chrome front bumper. It's got pretty paint on the car. It's a real bright, vibrant red. Of course, we got the sunshine today, so that helps. Bucket seats, console. Again, it's a power top. It's got the glass rear window. See a little scuff mark here on the bumper. A couple little things you can pick. That looks like the original rear bumper. Again, original Pontiac side marker lights. The car's nice and straight down the sides. Got a nice set of Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s all the way around it. Pretty car, got a good look to it. It's not a matching numbers car, but it does have a 69 date-coated 400 cubic inch engine in it. 4-barrel, stock intake. Does have a set of headers on it. Power steering, power brakes. It was actually a factory aired car. They left the unit on there, but the compressor is gone. Got the chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. 400 turbohydramtic trans. Looks like new mirrors. Door handles are definitely newer. It's got new door rubbers. A little split in the armrests there. Looks like the door pads are actually new. Original sill plates. It's got the bucket seats, console. Stock steering wheel, looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Showing 922 on the odometer there. I'm sure that's just turned over, guys. It's got the factory dash in it. Stock AM radio. It does have dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt rear end. Not a big gear. Probably like a 323, just a stock gear, highway gear. See a touch-up mark there. You see how nice and clean this car is on little cracks and crevices. The car's nice. This is the best, guys. It's nice and solid here in the trunk, all spackle painted like it should be. Car's solid underneath, floors are good. It's got the Flowmaster dual exhaust. Seats are in nice shape. Dash is nice. Have Jay fire it up here. The door handles are new, the mirrors are new. Again, good running 400. Yeah. Can't get it to put sunshine on there. Doesn't want to focus. Fuel gauge works. No on the clock. I know the speedo and the odometer work. Oh, he's showing his power top. Top's in good shape. Matter of fact, it's newer. It's got the glass rear window. Might have a ball. I think we got a bulb out on that side, Jay. Yeah, we got one bulb out over here. No on the radio, and also the blower motor's not working. We'll check it. Sometimes we can get those to work, guys. Sometimes they just haven't been used in a while. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Yeah, we got a bulb out here on the end. It's on. Connection. It's usually how it is, dude. I'll tell you, car's got beautiful paint on it. Have a great day, guys.